Alright, I'm testing out the audio on this. Testing out the audio. So how does it sound when I walk over? Test, and now I'm complete, and we'll see how that goes. All right, I just tested out the Rode wireless mic and plugged it directly in through the USB into this GoPro. Okay, and it does not work. It doesn't even charge. When I plug it into my phone, okay, then it'll show a little charge icon. In fact, it might show, yeah, okay. It went to a little charge icon and then went back to the regular. So if I turn this mic off, all right, charge icon, which shows there's an active connection, and I didn't get that with the GoPro. So with the GoPro, I need to actually use the Media Mod. They won't allow it any other way, and that requires the audio jack, which can plug into the Media Mod. That's the only way. Whereas with the phone, I can plug it directly through the USB, and it works. And that's unfortunate that GoPro doesn't allow a plug-in through the USB, especially when I got this GoPro Mini, which can't handle the Media Mod, which is, yeah, it's right here. Oh my god, it's stuck. Okay, set these over here. Yeah, this Mini can't even handle the mod. I've never actually put it in, so I didn't really test it fully. But I was reading that you can't. Yeah, it's got too much width. It doesn't want to fit because it's just a little too wide, too high up. Maybe some private manufacturer can make a GoPro Mini Media Mod. Oh yeah, and even regardless, the USB-C is there, and it's up here. Well, it's flat. And then sideways, it's shaped too different anyway. So it's unfortunate the Mini cannot, for the standard stuff, the Mini can't take a wireless mic, and it's got all the capabilities of the GoPro 11. So that's unfortunate. The GoPro Mini is limited in its function, so I can, but I mean it works for what I need it to do, which is a quick draw for any kind of recording. And then if I wanted to set it down quick, there's only two things to pull out before I set it down. Whereas like I can't use this on the Mini, but this is for the phone, this stand. But this takes 3, and that's, I don't know, it's just a little extra step. And that's how it is for the other stand. I don't believe I got it in here. Yeah, or even like this you got to pull out 3. All right. And that's one extra that you got to pull out. This one pretty much has one that's ready to go anyway. That's the battery. It's like split seconds that you save on time setting up that can kind of make a difference. But yeah, for wireless mic activity, it does not work. It's not, if it doesn't work on the GoPro 11, if this doesn't work on for a direct plug-in on the GoPro 11, it's not going to work for any of the GoPros. You absolutely need to put on the media mic and then not plug into the USB-C, because that's obviously not going to work. You got to plug into the wireless mic. That's the only way you'll get a nice audio feed from the wireless mic into the GoPro.